Natural world is an incredible wonder that inspires us all. Because nature is free, we often take it for granted and overexploit it. We clear forests, overfish oceans, pollute rivers, and build over wetlands without taking account of the impact this will have. Hello everyone, my name is Kalish.
My name is Adriana.
My name is Abdelfan.
And my name is Ryan.
Today, we are going to plant trees to green our earth.
Yes, it is a small step towards a greener future.
Sure.
Planting trees is one of the most effective ways to fight climate change and preserve the environment. Today, we will discuss the benefits of planting trees and steps involved.
Boys, why we need to plant trees?
Trees improve our air by filtering harmful dust and pollutants.
Besides that, trees provide food, protection, and homes for many birds and mammals.
I think trees reduce erosion and pollution in our waterways and may reduce the effect of flooding.
Oh, I see. By planting trees, we can prevent pollution, saving water, and reducing climate change.
But just now, you said that we are going to plant a tree today. What we need to do?
There are a few tips for planting trees. Come, let me tell you guys. Let's go. First, recognize the characteristic of trees. Second, adjust the distance between the trees. Third, plant trees properly. And lastly, sort out the tree trash.
Oh, but what are we waiting for? Let's plant trees.
Let's go! To plant trees, we need to dig a hole large enough for the roots. First, choose a suitable location. Then, place the tree in the hole and add the soil back. Next, don't forget to water the tree regularly until the roots are strong.
Friends, tree care is essential to ensure health growth.
Provide organic fertilizer for additional nutrition.
Make sure the tree gets enough sunlight.
We need to water the tree regularly, especially dry season.
We also can involve the community in tree planting activities.
Sure.
Correct.
So it can increase environmental awareness and togetherness.
Correct.
For conclusion, by planting trees, we can contribute sustainable environment. So, let's start from these small steps for a greener and better for future generations. Trees absorb 30% of global emissions every year. And when we burn them or cut them down, all of that pollution gets released into the air.
Plus of tree planted,
The greater the number of lives saved.
Bye!